Question number 5. Here, if diagonals of quadrilateral are equal, suppose we have a quadrilateral ABCD given. Diagonals of quadrilateral are equal. That means we are given that the length AC is equal to the length BD, and they bisect each other at right angles. Both the diagonals are bisecting each other. That means the length AO is equals to OC and the length DO is equals to BO. It is given. So AO is equals to OC and BO is equals to OD. This is given, and they are bisecting at right angles. Moreover, this angle is given 90 degree. So this angle is also 90. So angle 1 is equals to angle 2 is equals to 90 degree. सबसे पहले इन क्वेश्चंस में हमें यही समझना होता है कि दिया क्या हुआ है. इसमें दिया था diagonals of quadrilateral are equal, so we have taken AC is equals to BD. Then he has given that they are equal and bisect at right angles, so they are equal taken and bisect at right angles taken. So you have to prove that. To prove that ABCD is a square. Now we have to understand, to prove any quadrilateral as a square, what we are supposed to prove. First, we are supposed to prove that it is a parallelogram. Second, we are supposed to prove that adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal. Third, we have to prove that any angle is 90. Any angle is equals to 90. Now let us start proving all of these one by one. For first part, let us consider the triangle AOB and triangle COD. Right? So triangle AOB and triangle COD. In these triangles, we are given that the length AC is equals to length BD. We are given that the length AO is equals to CO. AO length is equals to CO. So these are corresponding. So we can take the length AO is equals to CO. Secondly, we are again given that the length BO is equals to length DO. So BO is equals to DO. This is corresponding. And also angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Suppose angle 1 is equals to angle 3. All these things are given here. So this implies triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by side angle side, because two sides and one included angle. One side is this, another side is this, and included angle are equal. So triangles are congruent by SAS. This clearly implies that this angle, suppose it is 5, and this angle, suppose it is equals to 6, are equal by CPCT. Angle 5 is equals to angle 6 by CPCT. Because we know in congruent triangles, all the corresponding parts are equal. And the length AB is equals to length CD. The length AB is equals to length CD again by CPCT. And if 5 is equals to angle 6, but ये कौन सी angles हैं? But these are alternate interior angles. और अगर किसी में alternate angles equal होते हैं तो वो lines होती हैं parallel. AB is parallel to CD, और हमने AB को CD के इक्वल तो प्रूव किया ही है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि one opposite pairs are equal and parallel ना, तो ABCD is parallelogram. ठीक है? This is the first part. For second part, we have to prove that adjacent sides are equal. Right? So prove the adjacent sides as equal, let us now take the different triangles. Suppose I'm taking this triangle and this triangle. So triangle AOB and triangle COB. These two triangles I have taken. So in these two triangles, let us quickly take the length AO is equals to CO, right? Angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and BO is equals to BO, common. So triangles are congruent. Triangles are congruent by side angle side. So this implies the length AB is equals to length BC by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So parallelogram we have proved, adjacent sides we have proved. Now the third thing, okay, any angle as 90 we have to prove. So for this, let us now take two triangles. One triangle I am taking, okay, another triangle is this I am taking, these two triangles. First triangle is ADC and second triangle is BCD. These two triangles I am taking. See, we have proved that it is a parallelogram. So the line AD is equals to BC. These are opposite sides of parallelogram. First thing. Second, the length DC is equals to length CD. The length DC is equals to length CD. Okay? Because this is common. The length AC is equals to length BD. The length AC is equals to length BD. Okay? Because it is given. So it implies, hence triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BCD by triple S. If triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. It means angle C is equals to angle D by CPCT. These are corresponding angles. So this implies that angle C plus angle D is equals to 180 degree because these are adjacent angles of parallelogram. So we have proved that angle C is equals to angle D. So we can easily have twice of angle C is equals to 180 degree. Angle C is equals to 90 degree. So all the parts are proved. So this implies ABCD is a square. Hence proved.